Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AirPod Insider. Have you ever found yourself wondering why your AirPods case just started beeping out of nowhere? Well, we've got some answers for you today. It turns out that it's not the case itself making those strange noises, but rather the AirPods inside. That's right, Apple has finally spilled the beans on what's been going on with those mysterious sounds. According to the latest update from Apple, the reason behind these eerie noises is actually a new feature designed to help improve the hearing health of your AirPods Pro 2. Apparently, Apple added this feature to ensure that your AirPods microphones and speakers are operating at their best, especially when it comes to providing high-quality hearing test results. So, what happens exactly? Well, according to Apple's user guide, your AirPods may periodically play a quiet chime when they're in their charging case. It's like a little wake-up call to help get things running smoothly. But here's the thing. We still don't know what happens if the AirPods discover they're not operating at their best. Will they send you an alert on your iPhone? We're still waiting for that answer from Apple. One thing is for sure, though. This new feature has been a topic of speculation among users for years. And it's awesome to finally get some clarity. Now we know what you're thinking. Will this feature come to other models like the AirPods 4 or even the fancy schmancy AirPods Max? Well, that remains to be seen. Apple hasn't announced any plans to bring this feature to non-Pro models just yet. So, for now, it looks like only AirPods Pro 2 owners will get to enjoy this new chime-based functionality. Anyway, that's the latest on this mysterious sound phenomenon. Thanks for tuning in to AirPod Insider. We'll keep you updated on any further developments from Apple. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to stay notified about all the latest AirPods news and rumors.